Hola amigos, today is the day 6 building in Notion. Today I'm building from my bed because I'm a little bit sick and have a day off, but more time to build, which is really nice. So I was working on relations, and relations in Notion is basically a connection between two databases to exchange some data. I'll add a screenshot somewhere here so you can check how it actually looks. But for example, if you have a yearly dashboard on your goal and you want to see the percentage, how close you got to this goal, and where you get this information. You get this information from the breakdown of the tasks that you did to achieve the goal. So the tasks, it can be like 5 tasks done, and they all have different percentage, but the yearly goal will show the average percentage out of those 5 tasks, and you will see a clear view of what you did and how close you got to the goal. Just really nice, really cool feature. Added this to my view. And next task is to figure out sorting, filtering different views on the database while using sorting. Really interesting, but more on that tomorrow. See ya.